Hello everyone. This is Miss Flip It. Yeah, one day she decided to write a story. What's she gonna write a story about? Her flipping cards. Her cards were telling her this story, and the cards say, hey, what story are you gonna say today? What story would you like to say today? Let's see what card flips out to say. It says, you're going to start new beginnings, and you're going to look at that new beginning like it's the best beginning ever. Look at how it's shining, and you're just so happy. Just like starting over. You get a brand new start. Starting over. That's what this story's all about. They got this going on. And Miss Flippy, she's writing this story about how to start your life over and feeling like you're a radiant sunshine and so bright and so grounded and so whole and so complete. And there she goes typing away. And what's the next card got to say? Whew. Let's see what the next card has to say. Says my dog over there. And it says that you can do this with your eyes closed. You can do this with your eyes closed. You don't even have to be awake. You could take a nap and this stuff is gonna get done. It's all gonna come to you. No matter how fast, no matter how slow you go, it's coming your way. You can sleep all day and it's still gonna come your way. Oh, that's so nice. I can sleep all day? Yeah, but don't. Okay. What do you want me to do then? You don't want me to sleep all day, but I can do this with my eyes closed. What would you like me to write this story about next?
Yeah, sit down.
Oh, sit down. It says, I want you to write the love story
Lay down.
about the masculine self that had all the rules, that didn't know how to change the rules. He had to live by those rules, but the love story says, well, we got a new story to teach you. Okay, here we go. Got a new story to teach. What we got? And we got to teach the masculine who thinks he knows all the logical rules, how things are supposed to be, but he forgot about love. Love? Yeah, he forgot the love story. Boom, 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 meow. Here's Miss Flip It telling her story. And she's typing her story away. What about it? What else you want to say? Oh, it doesn't matter. The love story is about falling deeply and completely in love with yourself so you can be so radiant and bright and shiny like the star of the show by working your crafts. Just keep doing the things that you love doing. Keep doing those things that make you feel whole. Keep doing those things that make you feel radiant and make you feel complete. That's your love story. No matter what the rules out there are. Oh, that's it. Yes, that's it. We got unconditional love going now. Yeah, whoa. All right, okay, till next time. Miss Flip It here, flipping emotional stories around till better. Woo, let's have fun in our life. Till next time. Bye-bye.